Pittsburgh has 10 more bridges than Venice, the famous Italian city that's also famous for gelato. But traveling 4,500 miles for gelato, that's a little far. So 20 years ago, Linda and Rick Mercurio went to Italy and brought the secrets of Italian gelato and pizza back to the Steel City.
L'ho già assaggiato e siccome mi è piaciuto molto.
Dai, è tornata, hai visto? Stai con comodo. Grazie, molto gentile.
No, no, c'è pomodoro.
Oh, have you seen Linda? La mia mamma? Oh, excuse me, have you seen Linda?
Alla mia mamma? Forse là.
Oh, hi!
Hello, Katie. Welcome to Mercurio's.
Well, thank you so much. Hi.
Hello, hi. Thank you for coming.
And Rick, right?
Rick, right.
Awesome. Well, thank you for having Some Like It Cold here. Pittsburgh is my hometown, so I'm really excited to be here.
So happy you're here.
Thank you. So tell me a little bit about how Mercurio's came to be, Linda.
I have 7 children, and I was at home with them all the time, and not that I was bored, but I just felt like I needed another purpose in my life. And so Rick came up with the idea of, well, why don't we open an ice cream shop? It's something that all of the kids could help us with.
Of course. Interesting.
So I went to school, Rick went to school, we went to Italy and learned.
Wow. And so then we've got our gelato taken care of. How did the pizza part of it come to be?
Well, I decided to build a pizza oven in our backyard.
Okay.
And down the road, I decided pizza and gelato would be a great combination.
Our daughter Anna wanted to take over, when she graduated from college, she wanted to take over the shop from me. And I said, that's a great idea, but the problem is in Pittsburgh you can't sell gelato or many ice creams in the winter. It's too cold. So when Michael decided to go to learn to make pizza, we decided it would be a great combination.
Awesome. Well, so let's start with some pizza and learn how to make that, shall we?
Absolutely.
Sure, that'd be real nice.
That's
sure. Hi, come. I'd like you to meet 2 of my sons, Joseph and Michael.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you so
Best
much.
pizzaioli, not only in the Pittsburgh area, but in the United States.
Oh my gosh.
Many award-winning.
What awards have you won?
So in September 2018, I competed in the Neapolitan division at the Pizza and Pasta Northeast competition and won the competition.
Nice.
I also competed in the same competition with the gluten-free category. I came in 2nd place.
Well, we've learned the secret behind your pizza, and I think it's time to learn the secret behind the gelato. All right, we're finally in the room where it all happens to make some lemon sorbetto with Linda, and we have a new helper. Who's
This is my oldest child, my daughter Lisa, and she has been helping us since we started the business.
All right, so let's go over our ingredients and what we're doing here.
Okay, great. Lemon sorbetto was the very first flavor I learned how to make.
All right.
And it still has a soft spot in my heart. The ingredients are, of course, sugar, lemons, and then this powder is a combination of stabilizers and then dried lemon that's from Italy.
Oh, wow. Of liquid made so much sorbetto. I will give this.
There's a spoon for you,
Thank you.
and a spoon for Lisa.
Why don't you turn around so we can show everybody? 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh.
It's refreshing.
It's delicious.
Yeah, does that taste the same as it did 20 years ago?
Absolutely.
Oh, absolutely.
Tell me just how deep your roots go.
Well, my parents were born in Italy, in Calabria. I'm actually the first generation American
Oh,
here.
wow.
And Rick's family,
My dad was born here. He's second generation from Sicily.
Oh wow.
Now he had the thinking that he wanted us to grow up as Americans, not Italians. We did not learn Italian.
being Italian was everything. It just gave me that sense that that's exactly how I wanted to raise my family as well. And Rick, even though he grew up in a more American style family, he had that same feeling. And
But the
I think
town I grew up was all Italian.
So how did you convince him that this was the right step for your family?
he was the one that came up with the idea of opening an ice cream shop. I wanted to do something that was something I could do while my children were in school. And he said, no, let's do something that involves the family. And so then he came up with the idea of ice cream. And I said, well, if we're going to learn how to make ice cream, let's learn how to make gelato.
Yeah. And would you say that having the family involved was successful?
It's the best thing we could have ever done for our family.
We're here enjoying the beautiful view of the city of Pittsburgh, and I have one more question for both of you. Your heart and soul of your family and the passion for your work is kneaded into your pizza dough and mixed into your gelato. But what is the secret of happiness that you bring to Mercurio's that keeps people coming back?
I think the family unit that we have, the large family unit, the extended family unit, extends as well to our customers. And I think that the love that we bring to our customers, not just in the way we make the pizza, not in the way we make the gelato, but the sense of feeling that we have with them is the secret to happiness and the secret to their happiness.
Rick?
I think it's our family working together, making great products, and making our customers extremely happy.
Thank you both so much. It's been such a pleasure to meet you.
Our pleasure, Katie.
Well, this was wonderful.
Thank you so much for being here.
From an Italian family of gelatieri and pizzaioli that brought Italy to Pittsburgh, we travel back in time to the 50s with Bill Lottie at Igloo Frozen Custard in Lafayette, Indiana.